So in this video I'm going to show you how to knit an Rmarkdown file. So let's go to the first week's assignment, and here I use it for the Business Research Methods course that I give. So here you can fill in your student name or the team number, or actually both. You can change the date, etc. This will be on top of your knitted PDF. Here you actually say what kind of, how the chunks should look, and a chunk is just this part, right? So this is called a chunk. Okay, so here we see the text to install Tiny Text. Now, Tiny Text is just a package that can allow you to knit these PDF documents because it makes use of LaTeX. Now, you might also use like a program like I did with MikTeX. It's the same idea. You also have like a program on your computer installed that can transform these latex symbols into a nice output. Now, you need to remember that when you do this knitting, make sure that all these install lines are not active, because you don't want to be knitting. So knitting basically means it just will run this whole document at once. And if you have an install command in there, it will take much longer. Plus, you basically only need to install once, and then you can use it. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna knit it. So here you see the knit button. When you press this little arrow, you can see to HTML, PDF, or Word. So let's try PDF. Well, and here it pops up. So as you can see here, you see there are some chapters made. This is because we put like some symbol in before these chapters. So please play around to make it look nice. So here you can see that we put like red, some issues in red. Well, for that you need LaTeX. Yeah. Now again, you know, here you would have your code, which is now empty, but there should be some code sometime. And here, well, I hope that it will all be done, and here we will see nice plots that you need to make for this assignment. So you can go through this document by just pressing these chapters. Yeah. Okay, so you can also knit it to HTML, but the HTML, well, in my case, it doesn't really work. Let me try it again. So sometimes the first time it doesn't work, you just try it again, because I don't know, it seems that it has to been, you know, the first time it just writes some documents that it needs to be able to make it a HTML, and then the second time it can use those make use of those documents. So here you see the HTML code. Yeah.